Waking up in the morning, I'm loving on my girlfriend, even though she's snoring. My life a little boring when I do the same things that I did yesterday fucking day. What you thinking when I'm loving you? What you thinking when I'm feeling you? I want more of you. Yo, let's go on a date and do something late. Let's do something crazy. Have a good day. I'm thinking that I really like you. I might as well do something dumb and fall in love with you. Or what you thinking when I'm up on your ass? Damn, that shit is real flat. I'm thinking that I wanna be with you, cause you that girl that I'm feeling, yo. I'm feeling for you. What you talking about when you tear me down? Looking at the fucking ground like you acting shy now, but you ain't shy. You've been up in my ride since 1969. Talking that I love you. On that moon landing, you kissed me, and then I started crying. You remember that? Yeah, remember that? Yeah. I think you remember that, cause I do too. I'm thinking all the feelings that I put through it. I'm talking like I knew it, but I didn't fucking know it. Maybe I wish I did. Looking at the way I treated all my old friends, I would do it better, maybe a little longer, or maybe a little less, or maybe not at all, cause I would rather spend my time with you. Looking at me, I'm so glad that you up in my ride like, ooh. Sing some fucking songs with me, driving down the highway, looking at me, my car legal, but we driving really fast. I don't give a fuck, you know I'm getting that ass. Yeah, driving with the windows down, looking at me, no AC, just straight heat right now. Yeah, straight up summertime, bitch. Looking like I'm loving it, you sucking on my, whoa. Fuck you talking about? I'm talking like I fucking love you and shit. Stay on my fucking ride, stay in my life real quick. Don't go nowhere soon, cause I'm thinking that I might marry you. So what you talking about when we going crazy? Look up at a punk rock girl, she going crazy. Damn, that's my chick, she had a baby. I'm on there, my little girl Stacy. And Stacy's mom, she got it going on. Looking at me, damn, she the bomb.com. What you getting when you loving me? Hopefully full hearts and straight clarity. It's Nick.